How do we protect ourselves from coronavirus when we work in construction? Staying far away from colleagues is the most important protection. Wearing a mask helps. Not sharing food, drink, or eating utensils is also important. Not touching our eyes, nose, or mouth, and washing our hands as often as we can with soap and water also helps. When we have to buy supplies in a store, it's good to wear a mask to stay at least 2 meters or 6 feet away from other customers and from the cashier, and to wash our hands with soap and water or use a hand sanitizer with 70% alcohol after we come out of the store.